What is going on, people? Welcome back to another video on AJ5, and in today's video guys we have an update on AMP, which has taken a little bit of a dip. Nothing too major. It is down 1.5% in the last 24 hours and currently trading at this value here. So we're going to be looking at where is the crypto heading to next. Is it going to pump anytime soon, or is it going to keep dropping in value? And as you guys can see, it has been performing quite well since mid-October, pumping up in a positive direction. Yes, it has hit red days in between, but overall it has been performing very well. So if we zoom out to a 7 days chart, 0.5% up, and over the month 66% up. And that is exactly what we want to see, slow and steady increases in value. So far it has been performing very well, but what's likely to take place for AMP in 2024, and also we're going to cover both buyers and sellers point of view, looking at is it time to buy right now, is it too late, and so on. But before I get into all of that stuff guys, if you're new to the channel and haven't subscribed yet, make sure to go down and smash the subscribe button, as well as like the video, as I am trying to hit 100,000 subscribers by the end of the year. And if you guys can help me hit that target, I will be doing a cryptocurrency giveaway, which you guys can join by simply subscribing to the channel. And for a bonus entry, follow me on Instagram. Link to that will be in the description box down below. So we are currently looking at the candlestick pattern chart with the MACD indicator, which I'm going to be using to do some price prediction, as I'm pretty sure that's what most of you guys are here for. So at the moment we got the the purple line running across the chart, which is the SMA indicator, giving us the average value of AMP, which is here in purple. But we can see that it is actually trading at a slightly higher value here in green, meaning it's performing quite well and better than expected. So let's zoom in into the 30-minute chart for the short-term traders, and then I'll move on to the hourly, daily and weekly chart for the long-term investors like myself. But before I do that guys, just a little disclaimer. As usual, this is no financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. Anything I say is from my own prediction and my take on this crypto, and any gains or losses you guys make, I will not be responsible for. So zooming into the 30-minute chart here, the blue line is looking slightly bullish, heading towards the positive direction, and the orange line is also going in a positive direction. However, it is not looking too steep, so it's very hard to tell. But yes, both the lines are looking slightly bullish, meaning an overall minimal gain in value is what is expected from AMP over the next 12 to 14 hours. So in the early hours of tomorrow, AMP should be trading around 0.0025 cents is what my expectations are. Again, even though it is an increase in value, it's nothing too crazy, nothing major. It is going to be a minimal increase in value. Moving on to the hourly chart, next couple of days, what can we see here? Now we are not looking too great. We do have the blue and the orange line both looking bearish, heading towards the negative direction, meaning an overall minimal drop in value is what is expected from AMP over the next 7 to 8 days. So mid to end of next week, AMP should essentially be trading at a slightly lower value than where it is at the moment, which is again not ideal, especially that the crypto mark, or AMP has been moving towards a positive direction over the last 3, 4, 5 weeks. At the moment it is likely to take a minimal drop in value, but again, that doesn't mean that it's going to stop pumping right now. Of course not. Over the next couple of days, it's likely to pump up higher, potentially getting close to the 0.003 cents target. But again, overall drop in value is what is expected, so dropping down to around just over 0.002 cents is where I'm expecting AMP to be trading at by mid to end of next week. So yes guys, do expect an overall minimal drop in value. Moving on to the daily chart, next couple of weeks now we are looking, well, it's looking a little bit more skeptical here. The orange line is clearly looking bullish, heading towards a positive direction, and the blue line seems like it was looking bullish, but right now it has come to an end and literally flat out going in a straight line. So yes, an overall increase in value is what I'm expecting from AMP over the next 6 to 8 weeks. So mid to late December and early January as well, AMP should be trading at a higher value than where it is at the moment, potentially heading up to 0.004 cents. In around this price range here is where I'm expecting AMP to be trading at in Q1 of 2024, and potentially heading even higher than that towards, let's say, Q1 and Q2 of next year as well. But again, I'm also expecting Bitcoin to be hitting over $42,000. So that is the starting point where it should have a positive impact on the crypto market. Bitcoin is a major part of the prediction when it comes to crypto, as that is essentially the main cryptocurrency out there, controlling the market, moving it in a positive and negative direction. So let's get rid of the MACD indicator, and I'm not going to get the Fibonacci scale out as usual, because as you guys can see, we are clearly heading towards the lowest point of the red zone here, meaning there's no way we are getting out of the red zone anytime soon. For those of you guys who are wondering what I'm talking about, let me just draw a quick diagram. As you guys can see, we are trading in the red zone, and for us to hit the resistance target, we need to hit just about 2 cents, which again requires a major increase from AMP, which I'm not expecting it to hit anytime soon, at least not for the next 2 to 3 years anyway, so there's no point talking about that. So yeah, the whole point is we are going to be stuck in the red zone for now. So let's go into the CoinMarketCap website. Here we can see the trading volume has also dropped quite a bit, 42% down in the last 24 hours, making it $9 million. So not many people are trading the crypto right now. Most people are just holding back, waiting for it to move in a positive direction, and then they'll start trading it, because it is scary, I get that, but what's the point of buying it when it's pumping in value when you can get a lower value, which is right now? But that doesn't mean that I'm telling you guys to go and invest your money into AMP right now. It is entirely up to you guys when you want to buy and sell. It depends if you're a short-term or long-term investor and so on. There's a lot of factors that come into play when you're trading crypto, and especially that it is a very volatile market. It doesn't really help. But yeah, this is my take and my prediction on AMP, guys. For those of you guys wondering, would I buy the crypto right now or would I sell it? I would definitely not buy it right now, as I'm expecting it to drop down a little bit further over the coming days. However, even if it does drop, guys, it's still overvalued. The maximum price I would buy the crypto for is about 0.00147 cents, guys. That is the maximum value I would buy it for. Anything above that, I would not even think about investing into the crypto. And from the seller's point of view, would I sell the crypto right now? Yes, I would, but I wouldn't sell all of it. If I was on a profit and I had $1,000 invested, I would sell about $400 worth, which means 40%, and I'll keep the remaining 60% going into 2024 and 2025 as well, over the long run, over the next couple of years, because I'm a long-term investor. But yeah, this is my take and my prediction on AMP, guys. What I want you guys to do is let me know your takes and your predictions on this crypto in the comment section down below, as I'm very intrigued to see how many of you guys are bullish and how many of you guys are bearish on this crypto. And on that note, I'm going to end the video here, guys. A massive thank you to every single one of you who have been subscribing, liking, commenting, and just supporting the channel in any way or form, and especially all the subscribers out there. Thank you guys so much, as it helps me out a lot and means a lot to me, as I am trying to hit 100k by the end of the year. And at the end of the day, guys, it's free to subscribe, so why don't you go down and smash that subscribe button and like the video, and I'll catch all of you guys in my next crypto update, which should hopefully be later on today or tomorrow. Until then, take care and peace.